This is an unusual looking lift at Canary Wharf. Oh, what? Oh, door.
Cool.
It's a access for all lift.
Oh yeah, access for all.
Doors closing.
It's like a Phoenix lift, this is, because it has that type of vibe in it.
Doors closing.
Press and hold. Oh yeah, I think you have to hold the button.
Going up.
Capacity 400 kilos, or 2 persons, or 1 person and a person in the wheelchair.
It looks almost like Phoenix.
Yeah, a bit like Phoenix, but I think it's actually been refurbished by Access for All.
Oh, here's the top of the doors.
I
On
think
floor 1. Ooh.
there's down button.
We haven't done this lift before.
Benno's most hated buttons. Dewhurst buttons. Nice place this is. Wow.
First floor. Doors opening.
I think. There we go.
Cool.
And that's it. These are.
The mirrored wall.
Hello again. I think these are, I believe, the ThyssenKrupp lifts at Canary Wharf in London. Canada Place. Lift number P6. There's a display there.
Oh, listen to that.
That sounds pretty cute.
Parking level 3.
You're at parking 3.
Doors opening.
Mirrored wall. Hi guys.
Hello. And nice place. We'll go back down to up to M.
M for mall.
Is this a hydraulic lift? Because this actually sounds nice.
I think it's traction.
Retail mall level.
What's the difference between a hydraulic and a traction lift again? I get confused sometimes.
Opening.
It's the hydraulic one is like at the bottom, and it uses hydraulic fluid.
And then the traction lifts at the
the
top.
traction's like a roped one, I think. Yeah, and it's like a motor and stuff like that.
There's the other lift here.
And that's it.
And that's it. Here are the Mitsubishi lifts at Canary Wharf, the Canada Place in London.
These are so nice, aren't they? So where are we now? We're at M.
Yep, we're at M.
Oh, you can go down all up. Oh.
Yeah.
So I think we had to go 2.
2. Mitsubishi lift. 21 persons, 1,600 kilos.
Oh, I love that shine.
Oh yes, iconic, isn't it?
Wow, this looks nice.
Yeah, that looks luxurious.
Let's go to parking 3.
Parking 3. Iconic closing door chime.
Mm.
And then 1 G, which is S, M, 1 parking 1 parking 2. There's parking 3, which is parking orange. And then I think it's M we want to go back to.
Yeah,
isn't
back
it?
to M. M for mall.
M for retail mall. So parking level 3 is orange. And then parking
Someone else is getting
level
this.
2 is blue. What floor do you want?
2. Thank you.
And then I think parking 1 is red.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, parking 1 is red.
There
Here we are at the retail mall. And that would be it. This is a bonus escalator
I'm not sure what this is.
at Canada Place in London.
This is a mystery escalator.
I don't know what escalator this is actually.
This is mysterious.
What escalator type is this? It's it's a code A. It's a code A because I can see it in the display. That's it. Another one. Let's give it a test. Or more like, let's give it a go. This is interesting. I never actually did all these before. I mean, I filmed the Mitsubishi lifts in here before, but Canada...
I love how smooth those Mitsubishis
Yeah.
are. They're absolutely...
Canary Wharf is so cool to explore, isn't it? That's it for this. You gotta be kidding me. Another escalator? Oh, why don't we just give it a go?
This is Schindler.
Oh, is it Schindler?
It was installed in 2001.
I
I
s-
think the other one was a Schindler.
I swear this was a code A because it said in the display.
I think Kone serviced it.
Ah, so the Schindler escalators
They
there.
look like Schindlers actually, don't they? You know, the way the metal looks.
Yeah. There's another escalator over here and we'll ride this one. Motorcycle here. And then the final escalator. So just so you know, these aren't actually Code A, they're Schindler escalators.
Yeah.
The reason why it says Code A is because they service them. Another Hotel Chocolat.
They're really quality.
I know, right?
Oh, look at Robbie Ryan.
Yeah, that's it. This is a very unusual lift at Canary Wharf, Canada Place, London. So we're at M, just so they know. So we'll go up to street.
Doors closing.
What type of lift is this? This is an ALS lift because I can tell by the blue buttons.
Is it ThyssenKrupp again?
No, it's an ALS because I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Doors opening.
That's levelling.
this is weird.
So I'm in the back here.
So we're in street now. We'll go down to parking 3, which is the orange car park. Sounds like a rabbit in here. Or maybe even a guinea pig.
Parking level 3. Doors opening.
I don't understand what type of lift this is. I don't know what floor to go back to.
Let's go
M
to
or
M, yeah.
Doors closing.
retail mall?
Uh-huh.
We're going back up to M, which is the retail mall.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Retail mall level.
Here we are at retail mall.
Doors opening.
And that's it. This is the lift at Canada Place Jubilee Line Station. Oh, this is a different one.
Ooh.
-1.
Yeah?
Stentergate voice, is it? Is that what it's called?
Stenogate?
Stentergate, that's it. 800 persons, 10 persons. Generic display, or cheap display actually.
Level -1. Doors opening.
Not much to see here. We'll go back up to 0. The display still says 0 on it.
Oh yeah.
And that's why I call it cheap display. Because it doesn't even say -1 on it.
I like the motor.
I swear this isn't the lift I filmed in 2022, I think it is. Level minus, no, 221.
Yeah, I'm not really sure.
Doors opening.
It's got quite an abrupt break, this.
There's a shaft. More escalators. That's City Place. But this is staff only. Anyways, that's it. These are the escalators at the City Group Centre. Jubilee line. I'm in the middle escalator. And then that's the left escalator.
Nice colourful.
Yeah, look at that. It's very nice. And there's only one up escalator, which is on the left. There's Jubilee Place.
Yeah, we're back here.
And then coming to the up escalator. You can see the Canary Wharf escalators here. Yeah, I think the lift we filmed there, the lift was a bit refurbished. Because I never seen it like that before. Again, very steep escalators. City Group Centre, and that would be it. This is another lift at Canary Wharf in London, Cabot Place this time. I haven't filmed this lift before. So it's floor -1 we're on.
So we're going to go to 2, really. Oh yeah, because this is like the lowest floor we can get to. You press up or down?
Up.
Right, there we go.
Doors closing.
This is quite a big one.
Doors closing.
30 persons per 1,000 kilos is a... So, I think I remember this lift.
I don't know about this one.
Level 0, retail now.
Area 0 then.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Do you rehearse buttons again?
Level 1, retail mall and Dockland Light Railway. Doors opening.
Yes, I think it's going to be busy.
Yeah, it's very busy.
Last one, please.
Doors closing.
Last one.
Because this is going into 2.
Oh, so it won't go.
Maybe afterwards.
Level 2, restaurants. Doors opening.
Right, we'll stay here. Stay here. Yeah, because we're going to go back down to -1.
So -1's the floor we want, -2's the
Yeah.
service area.
Doors closing. Level 1, retail mall and Dockland Light Railway. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level 0, retail mall. Doors opening.
Last one will be great.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing.
go for this one.
Level -1, Promenade Retail Mall. Doors
Promenade. And that's it. This is another lift at Cabot Place in Canary Wharf, London. -1 again, so we want to go to this one.
Yeah, we'll take this to 2,
Yep. Take it to
and
2.
then back to -1. It's not the same type of thing, isn't it?
Oh, but this goes down to -4.
Oh. You gonna go to 2?
Go to
We'll
2.
go to 2 as well.
Capacity 24 persons, 1,800 kilos. There's a display here, display there. And I think there was a display over here as well, but doesn't seem to be. Look, American lift arrow. So if we look at this, floors 2, 1, 0, and 1. I mean, -1 are popular. Then -2, 3, and 4 are service areas. No public access. Hopefully this goes down to -1 because I saw -4 being lit. Okay, we're at -1. We're safe.
Oh, okay. I pressed -4. I didn't realise it was a service. Oh, yeah, it's -1, isn't it? Oh, well, we gave it a go. No unauthorised access. Ooh,
No,
nice.
we,
I like that one.
we didn't want to be too stupid on the
That's
lift.
it.
I don't want people to think we're weird.
No.
Anyways, that's it.
That's enough.
These are the fast ALS lifts. Are we going to go down or up?
We're going to go... Go down. Oh, look, this one goes to -4.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Let's go on another.
We'll go up first. So another lift should go up. Oh, there we go. This lift. Yeah, this is the lift I was on about. So 0. So
I
the
like the
voice is
smell
like
of this.
level street level 0 retail mall.
Oh, I remember these.
Street level 0, retail mall.
Yeah. We'll go on the fast way down to -4.
We've got 4 lifts.
Capacity 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Listen how fast this is.
Promenade level -1, retail mall and car park.
Oh, someone's called it.
Someone's called it. Oh, -3 then.
Level -3, car park.
Oh, I really wanted to go a very fast way up or down.
Well, let's go to
Shall-
-1 after this.
I thought we would like to go to a full journey to 0.
Right, let's go out then. Yeah, we'll go down, yeah.
What floor do you guys want?
Just the 0.
We'll just go to that.
0.
Oh yeah, that was fast.
Retail mall.
Yep, I told you these were fast. Because Benno apparently said these are fast lifts.
Yeah. Right, that's it then.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So street level 0 we're going
At
up
least we
now.
got the full journey.
We've got 4 lifts here. And that would be it. This is a bonus lift at Canary Wharf in London.
This looks cool.
Smells like the underground in here. We'll go up to 0. No voice. It actually says -1 in the display. 630 kilos, 8 persons. Here we're at 0. And it says 0.
These doors.
I'm not sure what this lift is called, but it doesn't have a voice in it. Oh, some people playing ping pong in here. Doors closed. And that's it. This is a very nice Schindler lift
Ooh.
at the Elizabeth Line station in
Oh, that's amazing. This is
Canary Wharf,
cross.
London.
cross
It's a
rail-
Schindler lift.
This is cross rail placed.
Capacity 25 kilos, 25 persons. Oh wow, that sounds very nice. -2.
Bit juddery.
-2.
Very nice though.
Yeah. And then -4, which is the ticket hall.
Ooh, that's what we want these doors.
That's it.